Hello friends, today we will discuss insertion sort. So let us take insertion sort by an example. Say here I have an array having 6 elements n equals to 6. Those elements are stored from 0 to 5. As you know in C programming, in array 6 elements are stored from 0 to 5. So these are the elements. How insertion sort works? Let us see. See, this algorithm sorts array from 0 to 0, which is already sorted. So 0 to 0 is sorted. Then it will sort from 0 to 1. Then it will sort from 0 to 2. Then 0 to 3. Then 0 to 4 is sorted. And then finally 0 to 5 is sorted. How it is done? In I equals to 1 step, we take the element at position number 1. So this is 13. Now this 13 is inserted at appropriate place from 0 to 1. So 0 to 1, the appropriate place for 13 is this 0th position. So 34 is shifted towards right. This is vacated, this position is vacated, and 13 is inserted here. So now after I equals to 1 step, this much array 0 to 1 is sorted. Now, and at I equals to 2, when we will work, we will take the element number 2, that is 32 here, and we will insert it at appropriate place from position 0 to 2. So how to find that appropriate place? This 32 is, this 13 is smaller, this 34 is greater. So here will come 32. So this 34 is greater than 32, so it will be shifted towards right, and this position is vacated, and it is 32 is stored here. So now this much array is sorted. When I equals to 3, I will pick up this element, third element, which is 3, and will insert it from 0 to 3 at appropriate place. So which one is the appropriate place? So appropriate place is this. So all the elements are shifted towards right. This 34 goes here, 32 goes here, 13 goes here, and then this position is vacated and 3 is stored here. When I equals to 4, I took this element 25 and find its appropriate place. So this 3 is lesser than 25, this 13 is lesser than 25, this 32 is greater than 35. So this is the appropriate place. So 32 is shifted, 34 is shifted, and 25 is inserted here. So now this much array is sorted. And when I equals to 5, so this element is taken and its appropriate place, because this is smaller, this is greater, so this is appropriate place. So all the elements after this are shifted right, and finally the array is sorted. So you see that how the insertion sort works. So once you are comfortable with the example and you can show the element positions after each step, then you can summarize the insertion sort in this key idea, that pick up the ith element of array, pick up the ith element of array and insert it at appropriate place from 0 to I, and your I will move from 1 to n minus 1. So initially you will do for I equals to 1, then I equals to 2, and finally I equals to n minus 1, where n is your number of elements. So pick up the ith element and insert it at appropriate position from 0 to I. How to find that appropriate place? From 0 to I, you keep comparing the element, and whenever you find that a greater element is there, that is the appropriate place. So let us code this. The input will be taken before this loop, and the output will be printed after this loop. This loop is only for implementing insertion sort on an array A which is having n elements. So see, this I equals to 1 to n minus 1, this will change your values of I. So first you will pick up the first element and will insert it at appropriate place, then second and third, so on. So here, this red lines of code, this shows how to find the appropriate place. So if ith element is chosen, so I equals to whatever the value is, x equals to ai. So this is ith element, and I initialize k equals to 0. So what we'll do, for j equals to 0 to j less than I, so 0 to I am moving from left to right, and if aj is greater than x, if aj is greater than x, then I break the loop. So what will happen, that the whenever j is greater than this, aj is greater than x, loop will be broken, and we will know that at position j, new element is to be inserted, the element x is to be inserted. Now this initialization is maybe avoided, this is not required here, because we are reinitializing here k. So now you have come to know that position number j is suitable for the element ai. Then this loop will shift the elements, the elements will be shifted to vacate the position j. So from I run this loop in reverse order, I minus one element will be shifted to I position, and backwards we will move shifting. So k equals to I minus 1, k is greater than equals to j. Until unless k is greater than is equals to j, we will keep shifting k minus minus, and a k plus 1 is equals to a k. So I assign a k plus 1 equals to a k. When this loop is over, all the elements are shifted, and this position, jth position, is vacated. So I assign aj equals to x. So in this manner, you can implement insertion sort. Feel free to contact me if you have any doubts. Practice it by taking an example, then writing a code and executing it on your computer or laptop. Thank you.